Okay, so for my add-on, I decided to do the table of contents. I feel like this is a very useful thing, especially if you like write your own textbook. Also, a lot of chemistry teachers write their own labs, and so it's very useful. I had one chemistry teacher who just had all of our labs just on one Google Doc, and he used the table of contents. That was easy for us to get around. Now, here's this side thing with the table of contents right here, and it shows what is currently in titles or headers. So that's what we'll recognize it. As you update your Google Doc, you will want to refresh, and it will put in all of the headers that you want. Then you can insert it by going to Insert, clicking on Table of Contents. You can insert one with page numbers, or you can insert one with links. So this is the one with page numbers. You can click here to re-update it, or you can change it again to the other one. Yeah, you can also click on this stuff. So yes, that is the table of contents tool.